Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Lies the Crown. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Let's get right into it. Supreme Fall Winter Week 15 pickups and unboxing. Let's get it. Alright, first package we're gonna get into is this white bag. This I just picked up just because, you can't get enough of these. Supreme always restocking these. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Let's open up the bag, see what we got here, man. Alright, we got the Supreme socks in the white colorway. Alright, Supreme Hanes. You guys can read the tag right there. Pause the video if you want to check it out. Here we got the stickers that came with it. Regular box logo stickers. Put that aside. Let's get into the second box. Alright. So the second box, we're gonna get into. This was a restock, if you guys didn't know. Alright. Week 15, they restocked some accessories. Well, one accessory. And I didn't know a lot of you guys probably didn't know because you just clicking on the new all the time. And week 15 was a big L, man. That was when the box logos dropped across. And Supreme website just froze on everybody. Everybody who didn't have a bot. Everybody who went in manual. Supreme just made sure those people didn't get shit. So here's the two stickers that came with this item. Regulars, anti-hero Supreme. Let's pull out the restock. Who can guess what's in here, man? This, never purchased this before. This is my first time purchasing this, seeing how it is. Let's open it up so we can show you guys. And it is the wrench. We got the Supreme wrench. Alright. At first, this wrench is decently heavy, okay? It's not no light shit. This shit is real heavy, okay? As you can see, it says USA there. Closer look, you can see the Supreme embedded into the wrench right there. Okay, it's very nice. We're gonna show you that this wrench actually works. Okay, it opens up like that. You use your wrench like that, not on your fingers, obviously. I'm just showing you guys. And yeah, man, that's the wrench. I got a little black stain from my finger from covering up all my info off these boxes that you guys still see in the video. I don't give a damn. But don't be coming trying to look for me though. So that's the wrench. Set that aside. In the last box, this is what they dropped besides the box logo. Okay, and this I got on the restock. All these items I got restocked. Okay, I don't think the wrench they restocked, but this item for sure they restocked. Once the wrench was gone, it was gone. 2 regular box logo stickers, usual. And this is the box logo winter flat hat that they just dropped. I got it in the medium large colorway. There's the inside. Here's the tag so you guys can see the deep air flat cap hat. Okay. In the front, it's just a regular box logo. This is like some soft material here, warm material. This hat is super warm. You put on your head just, gets warm super quick. If you guys don't want to see a fit pic of all my Supreme stuff, leave a comment. Let's get some subscribers. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, maybe I'll do some fit pics for you guys. I have lots of Supreme items to review, share with you guys, and show you guys. If you guys want to see that fit pic, let me know in the comments if you made it this far in the video. Alright, so there you go, guys. There's my pickups for week 15. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, click that notification bell, show some love. More videos on the way, guys.